Hi guys, it's Kriti Bhatnagar, your legal reasoning educator at 12 Minutes to CLAT, and in today's video, we will be talking about 5 mistakes to avoid during your CLAT preparation. So, now that we do not have a lot of time left to prepare for the CLAT exam, we do have 8 to 9 months in which we have to prepare for the exam, which is enough, don't worry about it, but we need to make sure that we avoid the most common mistakes and make sure that we get our dream rank in the CLAT examination. So, starting with the first mistake and the most important one, which you should not be making, is ignoring mock test and analysis of mock test. Now, first of all, let's talk about the concept of analyzing your mock test. Once you do give your mock test, it will not be fruitful if you do not analyze it. A lot of times it happens that we get bored, and that is okay. All of us get bored, even I get bored. But always remember that what are the consequences of not analyzing a mock test. Imagine a situation. If you are writing the CLAT examination and you see the same question that you attempted in a mock test wrongly, and you again attempted wrongly in the CLAT examination, how are you going to feel? Not very good. So, it is very important that you make sure you analyze your mock test and you work on your mistakes so that if a similar question comes in the CLAT examination, you are able to answer it correctly. Also, a lot of students wait for the completion of the syllabus and then sit for a mock. Now, that is a little bit of an issue. Why? Because if you don't start giving your mock test, then you will not have time to attempt as many mock tests as possible. And the more mock tests you attempt, the more there is a chance for you to clear the examination. So make sure during your preparation, you give at least 30 mocks before the CLAT examination and work on the mistakes in those 30 mocks so that if any similar question is asked in the exam, you are able to answer it correctly. Second mistake, and also one of the common mistake, is focusing only on the strong subjects. Now, it is only human nature to make ourselves feel good. Imagine I am good at legal reasoning and English, so I keep on practicing legal reasoning and English because it makes me feel good. Because in the sectional test of legal reasoning and English, I scored the highest mark. So I feel that wow, I am scoring the best, I am the best, I will definitely clear the CLAT examination. But the CLAT examination also has 3 more sections that I have to make sure that I practice. So don't solely focus on the strong areas, they are already strong. Focus on the areas that you are weak in. Make sure that every day you practice 2 questions of those 2 sections that you are weakest in. How will this help you? This will help you to become better in those 2 sections and you're already your best at the other sections. So cumulatively, you will start scoring extra. Obviously, in the beginning, you might not score that good, but that is okay. Make sure that you keep on practicing because people who do not give up on their dreams make sure that they fulfill their dreams. So make sure you practice your weakest areas so as to score good in the CLAT exam. Third mistake is not working on your comprehension skills. So, a lot of you students would be going through this issue that you are very good at accuracy, which means you are very good at answering the question correctly, but the issue comes when you have a crunch of time. So, make sure that you are working on your reading speed, right side by side with accuracy so that you are able to answer the question within the time frame of 2 hours available for you in the CLAT examination. But ma'am, you have told us to work upon our reading skills, but how do we do that? So guys, let me tell you, in the beginning, you can start with any novel of any genre that you like. Like for example, it could be a fictional novel, non-fictional novel, someone's autobiography, something motivational, whatever you like. Make sure you pick up a book of like 100 pages and make sure you complete it within a day or 2 so as to get a grasp of how you have to work about it. When you start with a book that you're interested in, you will start developing the interest of reading. Then the next, you can shift to reading newspapers generously with a time limit set So maybe you can give yourself in the beginning 50 minutes that you have to complete reading the newspaper within 50 minutes and then reduce each day. Tomorrow it will be like maybe 3 days later, it will be 49 minutes, then 48 minutes. If you are not able to complete it is okay. See how you could have improved. Maybe you could have skipped some words, then you would have been able to read it faster. There is no way to improve reading speed than practice. So make sure you're reading something or the other. Newspaper daily because it helps you with English, with legal reasoning, with current affairs as well. So there are lots of benefits of reading the newspaper. In the beginning, you can maybe start with a book that you like, then just shift to the newspaper. So it will not be a huge shift for you suddenly. Fourth mistake that we need to avoid during our CLAT preparation is procrastination. I know it sounds very, very tough and you tend to procrastinate things while preparing for the exam. Oh, today's newspaper, I will read tomorrow. Today I have to go to a wedding. Today I have to go meet a friend. Today mom wants to cook with me. Today I want to spend time with my family. And I get it. All of that is precious. But it is essential to keep a balance between enjoying life and preparing for the examination. Do not forget that this exam is going to decide the next 5 years of your life. If you clear the CLAT exam, the next 5 years of your life are at least set in one place. So always keep a balance that okay, I have to go to this wedding. Before that, I have these things to complete and I will do them and then only I will be allowed to go to the wedding. Same goes for any other thing that you wish to do. Do not procrastinate. Always tell yourself that, see, I have to do this either today or tomorrow. If I do this today, I would not have to do this tomorrow and I will be free. Yay! So that will help you to complete the task today itself. And the last mistake that we need to avoid is time management. We need to make sure that we are managing our time in the mocks and through our preparation as well. Every day in the morning when you get up, give yourself a to-do list. Today, I will be practicing these questions. Today, I will be solving RC related passages. Today, I will be attending 2 classes. Today, I will be giving a mock test. Whatever you want to write in your to-do list, whatever you wish to do in that day, write it down on a piece of paper and then you attempt it. Try completing the to-do list throughout the day so that you don't have pressure that you have to study between 2 to 4 p.m. only, 4 to 6 p.m. only, because that builds a lot of pressure and well, we don't want that. So give yourself a to-do list, try completing the to-do list and you will be good to go. Same for your mock test also. Give yourself a specific time period for each section so that you complete the mock test on time. Now, those who stay till the end, here is a bonus tip. Stay consistent, revise regularly and believe in yourself. So, if any of you is preparing for the CLAT examination, we have 2 batches that are ongoing for CLAT 2027 and CLAT 2026 that you can enroll in order to complete your preparation at one platform from the comfort of your house. So, we have Lakshya batch for droppers for CLAT 2026 and Ujjwal for freshers for CLAT 2026 and the Shikhar batch for CLAT 2026 and CLAT 2027 respectively. If any of you is preparing for the exam and want a more guided preparation, in this batch, you will get evening classes, both of the batches, you will get evening classes, your syllabus will be completed, you will need not prepare from anywhere else, and if you want a discount on the course and you like my teaching methods, you can use my code KRITIB for getting the course and enrolling in the classes. Before that, if you want to see the demo classes, you can visit our website 12minutestoclat.com and watch the demo classes so as to understand how are the classes. So thank you so much. Hope this session was helpful. See you in another class. Take care and bye-bye.